Let's continue working with our lower third graphic. Now, one of the cool things is that I can modify this on the fly. I misspelled Premiere, so I can go back in and I can just change it, and it'll change it across the animated version as well. And I'm going to go and click on there, and when I click into the graphic with my type tool, I get my essential graphics panel. And I can do things like change the size of the graphic, make it larger or smaller. I can change the size of the font. I can change the size of the fill. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to grab the type tool. I'm going to grab the pen tool. I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to create a rectangle. And I'm going to drag this rectangle over the text. So I've created this graphic. Now this shape is sitting on the screen, and I can fill with any color I want. Let's say I want it to be red or gray, whatever color I want. I fill it with that color. I can't see the text because the shape is sitting on top of the text. So you see that each one of the elements is in a separate layer over here. So I just grab that and drag it underneath. Now you'll see it sitting behind it. Now the problem is, there we go. So there we go. So we've got that sliding in, and all that looks pretty good. And we could also fade it in as it slides in as well. So if I click on the graphic here, go back to editing, and I'm going to have a transition off screen by starting here. And I'm going to click on the opacity and set it to 0. And then I'll have it fade in as it's coming across. So I'll have the fade in happen a little sooner. So it's going to fade in as it comes onto the screen. If I change my mind, I can always grab that and drag it in. So it's going to fade in over a longer transitional period. So it's really easy to make different types of modifications and create different types of title sequences in the Adobe Premiere application.